working on this bike. I have a weird problem. See this little thing here? The little rubber nubs. Oh, what they are is they're the neutral light here. My problem is, though, every time I pop these in here, I don't know if it's focusing on it, they pop out every time you move them. Like they just fall out. I pulled them out, and they were like hard to pull out. They were like stuck in there. Now they won't go back. I'm like, do I put like, I don't know. See, because it works, which is a total amazement. It works, but when you ride the bike, they fall out. And I don't know if it's because of, well, I should take this key off here because it's, you just come out, end up with, see, fell out again, see, light, no light, doesn't want to stay in there. It's like, come on, man, just stay in there. Nope, doesn't want to stay in. Oh well, life problems. So let me turn this around here. Selfie. Yeah, that's the sweaty little problem I'm having with this bike right now. Fixing this. I don't know why I'm trying to fix it because I got to take the whole front end off anyway. But I mean, I'd like to know when it's in neutral. You know, some stuff is just nice to know. Thanks for watching.